It is estimated that there are more than 10 quintillion, 19 zeros, insects alive on Earth belonging to more than 925,000 species. But here is the question: why are there almost no insects in the sea? There is a plethora of freshwater insects though. If you lift a rock next to a river, you may find the larvae or nymphs of well-known flying insects like dragonflies, mayflies, or even mosquitoes. You can also find insects in extreme environments, in the heat of the Sahara Desert or the dry valleys of Antarctica. Yet when we think of the seas and oceans, the only insect species that comes to mind are the water striders or sea skaters. They thrive at sea. They are extremely hydrophobic, so they don't drown. They have long legs that prevent them from breaking the surface tension and sinking. And even if they do go underwater, they can trap a layer of air around their bodies, forming sort of oxygen tank. But why can they survive in salt water when other insects cannot? Well, there is no definitive answer, and one idea is that by the time insects evolved, the seas were already filled with predators, leaving insects little opportunity to develop traits for survival in that harsh environment. Another theory suggests that insects rely heavily on flowering plants, and as you know, seas and oceans don't have many of those. Because insects almost certainly evolved on land, many of their adaptations from reproduction to feeding and breathing are designed to terrestrial life. And even those insects that spend much of their lives in fresh water cannot stray too far from dry land.